Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on taking down all the Christmas decorations and getting the house squared away, doing a little bit of cleaning here and there, nothing crazy. I hope everyone had a great Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope that everyone is staying safe out there and healthy as well. I hope this motivates you to get up and get moving and get Christmas taken down if you haven't done so already, or to get some cleaning done, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright.
So I'm just starting with the Christmas tree, taking all the ornaments down and then taking it apart so that I can pack it away. I do want to preface that this video, I kind of jump around a lot. I really just wanted to get all the decorations taken down, so I kind of just go through, take everything down, and then go back and clean. So it's a little bit all over the place, but I still got it all done, and that's what matters.
Wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and
I spent all that time putting the Christmas ornaments back in each little section in their little holders, and when I went to put them in the box, they all fell out. So I said, screw it, I just dumped them in the box and called it a day, because I wasn't going to fight with them anymore, and I was just over it.
are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, 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 oh, this summer night.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and
As you can see here, I don't really have a lot of rhyme or reason to my boxes here, so I am just kind of shoving everything in them and putting them aside so that I can organize them off camera and then put them back in the attic.
just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you.
These pillowcases right here are new. They are from Amazon. I ordered them because I realized a few months back I bought these pillows off of Amazon to do fall pillows on the couch, and then I realized when I was taking Christmas down that I wasn't going to have anything to put on them. So I wanted to go with like cream, beige, and white, like all neutrals on the couch. So I got these pillowcases, and I really love the way that they look. They're so nice too. The quality is really nice on them, and I really like them. I do think I'm going to get one more of each pillow though, so that the couch can be completely like evened out. But I do really like these. I will link them down below as well if you guys want to check them out.
Catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all again we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes.
Here's the living room free of all the Christmas clutter. I'm really excited to have it back to like the bare minimum. I am planning on refreshing the living room soon though, so in one of my next videos I will be redecorating and moving some stuff around and refreshing the whole living room. So now we're on to the dining room. It's not really that dirty. I just had some things on the table that I needed to put away, and mostly Christmas decorations. So here we go.
Sona's on the line. Don't wanna pick a fight.
Josh and I just did this 1,000 piece puzzle. We started it last week and we finished it in like 4 days, and it was so hard. All of the pieces looked exactly the same and it took us quite a while, but at the end it felt really good to have it complete. So tearing it up was kind of bittersweet, but you know, it is what it is, and I felt really confident because I hadn't spilled any pieces, and then right after I thought that, I spilled a bunch of it on the floor. So you win some, you lose some, right?
Of emotions, Sona's on the line. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you
Now moving on to the kitchen, we're just going to pick it up and take all the Christmas decor down and do some light cleaning. Nothing too crazy. I am sorry for the lighting in here. It sucked until I closed the blinds, but it does get better here in a second, so just bear with me. And I also, all the dishes that were on the counter, I thought I filmed myself doing them, but I don't think I hit record. So I don't have footage of that, but just know that I did put all those dishes away. That's why they're not there anymore.
No one let myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Two places all at once. Was that what we said would come undone? Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close.
These rugs I got from Home Goods, and they are so soft, so squishy, and so cute. I fell in love with them, and at first I thought they were too big, so I didn't buy them, and then I had to go back and get them, and they fit perfectly in here, and I love them in this kitchen. I think they look so good. So here is the kitchen all nice and clean. If you guys stuck around, thank you so much for watching. I hope the video motivated you to get up and get cleaning, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one.